Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel English with Rehana. Hope you'll do fine. So let's start our today's topic. Real freedom. So what is real freedom? The word freedom refers to the right given to a person that he can do anything what they want. And if we talk about freedom with word real, then it means that people are free from mentally, socially or any kind of slavery. As Neeraj Alwali says, real freedom starts when you can understand the difference between independence and freedom. So today I like to share my opinion about real freedom. As we all know that we are living in an era where world has reached tremendous heights, where almost everyone has their own rights to be live freely and equally and enjoying their rights and customs and also enjoying this developed century, but actually everyone is living a mental slavery without recognizing. But how? In this developed century, where science has invented numbers of technology items for the sake of the world ease, but day by day we become their slavers, in which internet and mobile are at the top of the list, which invented for our need but become intoxication of us. Nowadays, of 90% of people are living their lives for the sake of social media. They are not doing things for themselves but for the sake of this fake world. In fact, they are putting their children into this mental slavery too and destroying their childhood and mental health both and also ruining their futures. As Dr. B.R. Ambedkar said, freedom of mind is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in a chain, is a slave, not a free man. A person whose mind is not free, though he may not be in a prison, is a prisoner, not a free man. A person whose mind is not free, though alive, no better than a dead. Freedom of mind is the proof of one's existence. So now it's time that we need to understand that we are actually becoming a mental slavers, and because of this we are actually facing so many mental damages which are impacting our and our surrounding lives too badly. We need to understand this, that enslaved things, don't be slave of them. Put yourself out from this mental slavery and save yourself and future generations too. Enjoy your real freedom physically as well as mentally. Make yourself healthy and happy and live the beautiful life what Almighty Allah given us before it's too late. So now I'll end up this topic with these lines. Real freedom is understanding that we have a choice in who and what we allow to have a power over us. तो आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। उम्मीद है आप लोगों को आज का टॉपिक पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और कमेंट में अपनी राय का इजहार कीजिए। इंशाल्लाह हम अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलेंगे। तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा और आसपास के लोगों का भी। अल्लाह हाफिज़।